Welcome to Audio Books feature by Cloud Expert. Today we'll be talking about Azure DevOps. What is Azure DevOps? Azure DevOps provides developer services to support teams to plan work, collaborate on code development, and build and deploy applications. Developers can work in the cloud using Azure DevOps services or on-premises using Azure DevOps Server. Azure DevOps Server was formerly named Visual Studio Team Foundation Server (TFS). Azure DevOps provides integrated features that you can access through your web browser or IDE client. You can use one or more of the following services based on your business needs. Azure Repos provides Git repositories or Team Foundation Version Control (TFVC) for source control of your code. Azure Pipelines provides build and release services to support continuous integration and delivery of your apps. Azure Boards delivers a suite of agile tools to support planning and tracking work, code defects, and issues using Kanban and Scrum methods. Azure Test Plans provides several tools to test your apps, including manual, exploratory testing and continuous testing. Azure Artifacts allows teams to share Maven, NPM, and NuGet packages from public and private sources and integrate package sharing into your C/CD pipelines. Azure DevOps supports adding extensions and integrating with other popular services, such as Campfire, Slack, Trello, UserVoice, and more, and developing your custom extensions. Choose Azure DevOps services when you want: quick setup, maintenance-free operations, easy collaboration across domains, elastic scale, rock-solid security. Azure DevOps Services also gives you access to cloud build and deployment servers and application insights. You can use all the services included with Azure DevOps, or choose just what you need to complement your existing workflows. Azure Boards to plan, track, and discuss work across your teams. Azure Pipelines to continuously build, test, and deploy to any platform and cloud. Azure Repos to get unlimited, cloud-hosted private Git repositories for your project. Let's understand what is DevOps organization. An organization is used to connect groups of related projects, helping to scale up an enterprise. You can use a personal Microsoft account, GitHub account, or a work or school account. Use your work or school account to automatically connect your organization to your Azure Active Directory (Azure AD). Add users to your project. The first task is to ensure that all members of your organization or group are added to your organization and projects. For small groups, using Microsoft accounts to add users to your organization and projects works fine. Set policies to support collaboration across your teams, secure your projects, and automatically remove obsolete files. You can assign work items by feature area by defining area paths. To assign work items to specific time intervals, also known as sprints, you configure iteration paths. Use the Scrum tools for sprint backlogs, taskboards, and team capacity. You need to configure several sprints. Hope you enjoyed our audiobook. For more audiobooks, please subscribe to our monthly plan in Cloud Expert category. Hey, don't forget to rate our app and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.